Hello, good afternoon. How are you? How's your day been? Yes, it's time for English language. It's time for English language. It's still Tuesday, 12th of May 2020, and we have a comprehension passage that we want to read. We'll read it and you'll answer some questions afterwards. Okay, so let's read together. Let us read together. Are you ready? Good. Audu and Sarah are the children of Mr. and Mrs. Hassan. They live at 4 Amina Close, Abuja. Audu and Sarah attended a public school. Audu is in primary 3, while Sarah is in primary 1. One day, Audu became ill. He had a cough. His mother took him to the hospital. The doctor prescribed a cough mixture. When they got home, Sarah wanted to taste the cough mixture, but her mother refused because she was not coughing. Her mother refused because she was not coughing. While Sarah's mother was busy in the kitchen, Sarah took the medicine and tasted it. She loved the taste and took a lot of it. Soon, Sarah slept for a long time, but it wasn't bedtime yet. So her mother rushed her to the hospital. The doctor looked at Sarah very well and said Sarah had taken too much cough mixture. That was why she had slept so much. The doctor admitted Sarah to hospital and treated her. She was discharged after 3 days. The doctor warned her against doing such a thing again. He called it drug abuse. Let's go over the story one more time. Audu and Sarah are the children of Mr. and Mrs. Hassan. They lived at 4 Amina Close, Abuja. Audu and Sarah attended a public school. Audu is in primary 3, while Sarah is in primary 1. One day, Audu became ill. He had a cough. His mother took him to the hospital. The doctor prescribed a cough mixture. When they got home, Sarah wanted to taste the cough mixture, but her mother refused because she was not coughing. While Sarah's mother was busy in the kitchen, Sarah took the medicine and tasted it. She loved the taste and took a lot of it. Soon, Sarah slept for a long time, but it wasn't bedtime yet. So her mother rushed her to the hospital. The doctor looked at Sarah very well and said Sarah had taken too much cough mixture. That was why she slept so much. The doctor admitted Sarah to hospital and treated her. She was discharged after 3 days. The doctor warned her against doing such a thing again. He called it drug abuse. So, I would like for you to go over the passage again, okay, and use it to answer the following questions. 1. Who are the parents of Audu and Sarah? Number 2. What class is Sarah in? Number 3. Who became ill? Number 4. Why did their mother say no? Number 5. What did Sarah do? Number 6. What happened to her? And number 7. What lesson have you learned from Sarah's story? Read the passage, answer the questions, and send them back. Thank you.